Hey friends, welcome to another video. Today I will be reviewing this X10 gaming controller by EasySMX. So without any further delay, let's do quick unboxing. In the box, we get 2.4 GHz USB dongle for connectivity and this beautiful looking gaming controller. Manual, USB Type-C cable for connectivity and charging this controller, and changeable front plates. Build quality of this controller is very solid. These buttons and joysticks are very smooth and responsive. This controller comes with the mechanical buttons and Hall effect joysticks and triggers. On top we have USB Type-C port for charging this controller and connecting it to PC. On back side we have these manually programmable buttons which you can customize according to your need, and this one button to switch the compatibility mode of this controller. This controller supports Nintendo Switch mode, Bluetooth mode, wire mode and 2.4 GHz wireless mode. And the in-hand feel of this controller is also very good. This texture here makes it very comfortable to hold and use this controller. This controller supports magnetic swappable faceplates, which means you can change this plate and this hand grips with other color plates which you can buy from their official website, and you also get the white color plates in the box itself. As I have told you, this controller comes with all effect joysticks and triggers, which means this controller has almost zero latency, and this Hall effect increases the lifespan of your controller also. This controller is compatible with a wide range of devices such as PC, Steam Deck, Android, iPhone, Android TV and Nintendo Switch. This controller comes in two colors, silver and purple, and you get white color swappable plates in both boxes with controller. This controller comes with 1000 mAh battery and it will take about 2 to 4 hours to fully charge this controller. And this controller can last up to 15 to 20 hours on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about charging this controller every day. This controller also comes with 3-level adjustable turbo and 5-level adjustable vibration. You can use this button to adjust the turbo and this button to adjust the vibration on this controller. This controller also supports 6-axis motion controller but only with the Nintendo Switch. It will not support 6-axis motion controller with any platform.
Get ready for the next battle. Round one. Fight. Round 3. Fight. You win.
So overall, if you are looking for a good controller with great build quality, mechanical buttons and Hall-effect joysticks and triggers and wide range of compatible devices, then you can go for this controller. The official pricing of this controller is $50 US. I will give the link in description for the official website if you want to buy this controller. You can also use the code given in the description to get extra 10 to 12% discount on this controller. So if this video was useful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.